In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in landscape orientation in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a presentation, a project report, or a creatively designed document, ensuring your content is presented in the right format is crucial. Let's dive into the step-by-step process so you can professionally format your document with ease and confidence. First, let's start by changing the page layout of your document, which is essential for getting that landscape orientation. Open your Microsoft Word document, and once you have it in front of you, go straight to the top menu where you will find a variety of tabs. Here, you're going to click on the Layout tab. This section is home to several options that let you design the appearance and structure of your document pages. As you locate the Layout tab, turn your attention to the Page Setup group nestled within it. It's here that you'll find the controls you need to adjust your page orientation. Among these options, you should see a button labeled Orientation. Clicking this button will present you with a drop-down menu. Now, it's just a simple matter of selecting Landscape from this drop-down. This selection will adjust the entire document, giving it a wider look, perfect for charts, tables, or any content needing more horizontal space. It's essential to note that Microsoft Word allows you to have both portrait and landscape orientations within the same document. If your document includes a combination of different page layouts, or if you're only looking to change certain sections of your document to landscape while keeping others in portrait, there's a little more to consider. Before making any changes, ensure that you've selected the specific page or section you want to switch to landscape. This part is particularly important. Otherwise, you could unintentionally reformat your entire document when you only intended to adjust one section. Remember, Word empowers you with flexibility, and the Page Setup also offers other options to personalize how your document prints, so be sure to explore them if you need further customization. Printing in the right orientation is just one aspect of presenting a well-crafted document, so don't hesitate to take advantage of Word's robust set of tools to optimize your work. There you have it, a straightforward process to set your documents up perfectly in Microsoft Word for landscape orientation. With these simple steps, you'll be ready to print your content with clarity and precision, ensuring it meets the highest standard of presentation every time. Thank you for watching, and happy formatting!